Hey friends, how are you guys? How are you all? I hope you're all doing well and safe. In today's Philippine travel update, we'll mainly talk about the e-arrival card, the new travel system. Because wait, Jennifer, it's already December 1 in the Philippines, and you mentioned that December 1, yung effectivity ng new travel system, like the target is December 1. Are we going to use that now? So I'm going to share to you the clarification from the Bureau of Quarantine. Before we get into that, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to stay updated with Philippine travel. That's what I do. Okay. So recently, we found out that the Bureau of Immigration will vote in with the DOT, the Department of Tourism, the Department of Health's arrival system. So currently, we have the e-arrival card, right? You can access that through onehealthpass.com.ph. All passengers must register before they can enter the Philippines. Before you can leave the airport, they must scan your QR code from the e-arrival card system. Now, Bureau of Immigration want to join in because if you think about it, it actually really makes sense because the questions, remember from the arrival card, physical arrival card, the questions there are the same from e-arrival card. So it just makes sense that Bureau of Immigration will use the same system, diba? According to Bureau of Immigration spokesperson, they are preparing the new system. They're just ironing out glitches before they will launch, which is targeted for December 1. And it's not happening. Today is December 1 and nothing has changed. So, hindi na meet yung target. The new system is the e-travel, which you can access to e-travel-stg.oueng.info. It doesn't sound like an official government website, right? Because it's not final. They're still ironing it out. But the real question is it still the same from the current system, Jennifer, e-arrival card? Yes, most of it, guys. Same questions, same content. E-arrival card and e-travel both uses QR code system. However, they have different names, obviously. And the biggest change or difference is it's a different website. No, whereas e-arrival card is onehealthpass.com.ph, the e-travel is, I mentioned earlier, e-travel-stg.oeg.info. And another improvement for e-travel is you actually receive a confirmation email after you successfully register, in which you will receive a copy of your QR code. So that is handy because e-arrival card, you will not receive confirmation email. So it's still the same. You get a QR code with e-travel. And it's already December 1 and it's not yet adapted. Again, guys, if you're traveling soon, e-arrival card pa rin, please go to onehealthpass.com.ph. This e-travel is not yet in effect. Okay? Hindi pa siya ginagamit. So, wag kayong gumamit nito kasi hindi nyo pa siya magagamit. E-arrival card pa rin. Now, this is the clarification from the Bureau of Quarantine. According to them, I'll read it in Filipino and then I'll share it in English. Magandang araw, salamat sa inyong pag-inquire. Sa ngayon po ay wala pang opisyal na anunsyo tungkol sa mga pagbabago. Makakaasa po kayo na aming isa sa publiko agad kung anuman ang pagbabago na maggaganap. Ayan, they haven't made the official announcement. There's no official announcement yet, but rest assured, they will announce publicly once it's available, information is available. So for now, sit tight, but expect that it will change soon. So I'm just giving you a heads up, guys. Surely this new system will give us faster process. I mean, it's a digital age. Japan, Singapore have the same system. So, we just have to accept it. It's not the future, it's the present. Digital age na. But since this is not the right time talaga to change the name, to change the website, no? As what one of our subscribers said, it's no one wants to have an added stress changing another app or changing another site. No, many people hindi talaga updated. And even airport staff, airlines also will be stressed out if they will change it now. They should have plenty of time to prepare. So, just a suggestion, Philippine government, don't do the change po right now for Christmas, especially do it after the busy peak season. Siguro mga March na lang or February, 'di ba? And recently, guys, I checked the new site, e-travel, and it's not working anymore. Maybe they stopped it or they're still fixing it for whatever reason. I tried to open it today. Let's go to e-travel website. Okay. Ayan, see, it's not working. I asked my family in the Philippines to open it. It's the same result. It's bad gateway, error, whatever reason. I used other sites as well to access it. It's the same. So, yung e-travel right now, you can't access it. Hindi siya gumagana. So, leave it. E-arrival card pa rin, guys, for now. Now, speaking of e-arrival, I'd like to share to you guys. No, this has been going on for many, many months na. It's a scam alert. There are fake, fraudulent websites for this e-arrival card, One Health Pass, no? Recently, 3 senators urged authorities to address the fraudulent websites that charge passengers entering the Philippines around $79 to get the e-arrival cards. Guys, be warned about these fake websites. I still get messages from today asking, Jennifer, do we have to pay for e-arrival card? It's $79. There's 2 of us traveling. Ang mahal naman. Yeah, guys, you don't have to pay for it. It should be free. It's really disappointing because right now, like when I go to Google and I click and I go One Health Pass, the first result is the fake website and transform. This website is tagged as a sponsored ad. See, it says word ad in the left corner. It's an advertisement. That's why it appears at the top of the search engine. So to those who are trying to get information about e-arrival card. So guys, please only go to the official website, onehealthpass.com.ph. Okay? onehealthpass.com.ph. Yan lang po. Please don't go to other sites. When you go to the official website, it's free. It doesn't ask for credit card details. And it will generate your code in seconds. So again, this is the only official website. Hay nako, these websites, guys, fake websites, have been around for more than a year. Since I think April or May, and the government hasn't done anything about it. They keep on making announcement, warning. But truly, what they can do is just take down those websites. Take it down. My God, government, use your teeth. You can close down corporations, put people to jail without warrant issues. And yet, you can't take down a site. My God. Tanggalin nyo na yung mga website na yun. Palagi kayong nag-issue ng warnings. Do the harshest action. Tanggalin nyo. My God. So many people have been victims of these fake fraudulent websites like, what's the name? PHN Transform. And we're calling the government, take it down, my God. Take it down. Use your powers. So this is all I can share for today, guys. Keynote, e-arrival card pa rin. onehealthpass.com.ph pa rin. The new system is not yet in effect. Soon maybe, not now. And lastly, be warned of the fake website. Only go to the official website, onehealthpass.com.ph. God bless you all, guys. This is all I can share for today. God bless you all po and stay safe. Bye.